prices. From comfy sofas and dining tables to beds, they're always built to last. You can even spread the cost with interest-free credit and no deposit to pay. Get great savings on food. Sale at Oak Furnitureland ends Sunday. T's and C's apply. Finance minimum spend 1999.
Here are the words every timeshare owner will be dreading to hear. Your 2023 timeshare maintenance fees.
Selfish and lazy, lack ambition, stubborn, argumentative, jealous, only incapable of love. I only wash my hands for someone else in the bathroom. I don't know why I just told you that.
Meet you.
You're such a brave little soldier.
Extraordinary. Watching the series.
I feel so free. Maybe I should take my bra off.
Streaming January 25th exclusively on Disney+. 18 plus subscription. T's and C's apply.
Jen's online yoga and fitness agency is going from strength to strength, but she needs a bookkeeper as she's really becoming stretched.
I prefer teaching sun salutations, that's for sure.
Indeed can help her find great people fast.
I need Indeed.
Indeed you do. Add essential questions to your job posts that help screen applicants for must-have requirements. To start hiring, visit indeed.com/try today.
On a Eurocamp holiday, you'll find every possibility under the sun. Eurocamp, Euro Splash, Euro Chill, Euro Grill, Euro Smash. Euro Us, them, you, me, sing, shout, run, woo! Find over 150 holiday parks, including thousands of breaks under £500 per family per week, even during Easter and May half term at eurocamp.co.uk. Facilities vary by resort. For bookings 31st of March to 23rd of June 2023. Selected destinations and completion types.